Meanwhile, Jay, there is growing concern tonight about the long-term impact this pandemic may have on the child care industry.
WPTV News Channel 5's LINNIE SUPALL spoke to a daycare owner who continues to keep the doors open to families despite new financial challenges.
Precious Lambs Kitty College in Fort Pierce is one of several daycare centers across the state that have been in overdrive, making sure they stay open and available, especially for essential workers. And they say that they've been able to stay afloat with help from the Early Learning Coalition. A lesson in coronavirus prevention.
Today they're making sock masks.
Students of the Precious Lambs Kitty College are making masks out of brand new socks. Oh wow, this is so nice. Thank you. Owner TEKEYSHIA Owens says her Fort Pierce daycare is committed to keeping its doors open during the pandemic.
We are the soldiers, the daycares, the grocery stores, the nurses at the hospitals. We are the ones that are standing front line.
Serving essential workers is a top priority.
We make sure our essential workers have space first.
A new report by the Center for American Progress says Florida could lose more than half of its daycares due to the impact of COVID-19. But the state's early learning coalitions are helping meet the need with state funding.
They approved for us to be paying child care centers for all absences. When you think about the private pay parents, if they're not sending their children to a child care center, most likely they're not paying. So if they happen closed or if children aren't coming, the child care center doesn't have to worry.
A community coming together at a critical time.
That helps us out tremendously.
When it comes to essential workers like first responders and healthcare professionals, there is a scholarship available from the state to help with finances. Reporting from St. Lucie County, LINNIE SUPALL, WPTV News Channel 5.